Hey there, today I will walk you through a quick and easy tutorial on how to create and edit your very own study playlist on Spotify. Let's get started. Open the Spotify app on your device. Tap on your library icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now let's create a study playlist. Tap on plus button at the top right corner. Give your playlist a catchy name like Focus Study Time. Now tap on add to this playlist and search for tracks that help you concentrate. You can type in keywords like calm, instrumental, or specific artists you like. Tap the plus button next to each track to add them to your playlist. If there's a song that does not fit, tap on three dot button next to the song and tap remove from this playlist to say goodbye. To give your playlist a personal touch, tap on three dot button next to the playlist name. A menu will appear and choose edit playlist. A new window will appear. You can add a description, cover image and make it public or private. If you want to study without internet, tap the download switch at the top of your playlist. Remember that for download a song or playlist, you need a premium account of Spotify. This way your selected songs will be available offline. And that's how you create and edit study playlist on Spotify. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you again.